So now I created this video which I call G604 Part 3 in May 2023. And the reason why I create this video is that the layout of GHub has changed since I created the other videos in the playlist. Now in the next video, part 4, I'll explain how you can download profiles from the internet, specifically my IntelliViewer profile. And so that was a button down here where you could access the downloadable profiles on the internet. Now this has changed, and this is now in the menu here. So if you click on these three bars, a menu will open and you click on Community. And that's where you find all the downloadable profiles in the internet. If you type in then in the search mask IntelliViewer, you will find my downloadable profile and you can download that. It will mention that it's downloading and then that it's available. So you can either go to the application or you can simply go back. Go to application simply means it shows you all the profiles, and as you can see, I've got a number of IntelliViewer profiles now. The reason being that I have downloaded the same profile a couple of times, and it simply gives a new number to identify, to separate these different profiles from each other, but essentially they are the same profiles because I've simply downloaded the same file a couple of times. So if you come across that you see 1, 2, 3, that simply means you have downloaded it a couple of times, but it doesn't matter. You can either delete them here when you click on them on delete, or you just leave them. And then you go back and onto the mouse, and that's where you can then choose the profile that you want to currently use on the mouse, and I will explain that then in the next video, which is the part 4.